Hello, I am here to explain the project regarding homes for resilient future. So, this is the hot topic regarding the sustainability and the reliability of the homes. I have initially start with some sort of compact houses. You can say ground plus 7 or ground plus 10. A model type is shared over here as well. So these are the homes for the future. How I can say that because these are the sustainable and the environment friendly home for everyone. The location I have chosen is Tokyo. Why I have chosen Tokyo? Because the Tokyo is the densely populated city, and the main problem with is the Tokyo is that the population is too much and we have less sustainable and resilient living over there available. So the space is the issue over there always. So I have chosen that place to be taken as the prototype of that, and we can apply to the whole world as well. With its high-tech infrastructure and dense population in Tokyo City in Japan, as we all know, that is the mostly densely populous city of the whole world. The rapid increase in global temperature and due to climate changes also led to growing awareness of that need, which is needs that resilient home and communities to be developed in the war footing. So the process is overall that I have conducted research into existing development and that sought me to apply similar principles and consider that the various design ideas that should be taken into account, such that natural ventilation must be over there because it helps a lot regarding the less energy resources and fossil fuel burning, and then the proper lighting must be over there, which also imply that renewable energy like solar energy must be utilized in a proper manner, and then the renewable material is that material which is easily biodegradable, and the biodegradable material is the one which has less effect on our lungs, and which like asbestos and other materials which give some sort of fumes which affects our lungs, and in the broader aspects they are not user friendly, and they are not the environment friendly. So I have used over there these type of things. Secondly, then I also consider the various iterations of forms that can be used in the design, and later on I will share the design as well. So the focus is on the renewable energy, which is solar panels, building infrastructures, and surrounding environments. There are many things to be discussed over here, but as the time is short, I am focusing on the main things like project location. Tokyo, as I have told you earlier, is the capital of Japan and the most populous metropolitan city in the world, not in the region but in the whole world. It is located at Kanto region and the main island is Honshu. So I select this region for my prototype. And the main design questions are how can we develop the provide the comfortable and attractive living environment for the inhabitants, and how we can develop the energy efficient and environment friendly sustainable environment. There are many few more questions, but the initial research is focused on that. And these type of prototype have also been deployed in the current world in Switzerland, Zurich, and also in England, London. But my prototype is totally changed from that because I have reconsidered many things and many ideas over there. Basically, I focus on the four main ideas. The design main ideas depends on the natural ventilation, lighting, material, solar panels, flexibility, accessibility, etc. So directly I will go from my idea. This is my the first idea you can see in the picture, and that idea gives me that I have used the renewable energy. You can see over there the concrete walls are not directly utilized, which enable solar light to be directly entered, and that solar light can easily be utilized for the lighting of the homes, and thus the electricity issue and other temperature issues can also be solved using that renewable energy. This also could be installing the solar panels on the roof. The solar panel can easily be installed on the roof, and also wind energy can be easily utilized, and geothermal energy can also be utilized. So these renewable energy homes is the basic idea, and you can see the second prototype is like that. We have all the openings, and we have all the glass material used for the better ventilation and for the better renewable energy utilization. The second idea is that you can see over here is about the sustainable building materials, that is like bamboo, like stones, like clay. The sustainable building materials have been utilized over here. So these are the pictures of that. And the third idea I have utilized regarding permaculate principle, which is edible garden and using natural elements like soils, stones, plants, and creating living landscapes, etc. over here. So these are the kinds of prototype over here. This is the best architectural design which I have shared over there. And the fourth idea is, you can see over here, is regarding the resilient design principles and apply regarding the material which is resistant to fire, wind, water, and etc. like shutters, impact resistant to windows. So these type of materials are also give a certain type of protection from natural disasters as well, and reduce the risk of damage and potential financial losses as well. So these are the prototype of that. And the main idea is to build, as you know, that a prototype which gives a sustainable environment to the home workers over there. So that's my main idea. The conclusion is that the proposed development seeks to apply circular and regenerative principle to build better homes for the resilient future. The development will be located, as you know, that I have told you earlier, in Tokyo, Japan, and the design should also take into account the various iterations of forms as well as energy analysis and embodied carbon calculation, and determine the energy efficiency of the environmental impact and the development. The design also should take into account the cost of development, and should also use visual programming as dynamo to create the complex shape structure. By taking these considerations into account, it is possible to create a development that is sustainable, resilient, and effective. Thank you from my side. Thank you.